Conservation. It's such an important part of our lives. That's why we created a sanctuary for prehistoric animals, so that we can preserve natural history like never before. Welcome to Jurassic Jungle.
Today we'll be working with one of our largest dinosaurs here at Jurassic Jungle. We're currently on the way to do her physical therapy.
One of the things that I am in charge of here is helping with the physical therapy and the dinosaurs and making sure everybody gets their exercise. Hi, Tina! Hi, sweetheart! Good girl! Hi, beautiful! Let's take a look at this leg of yours. Take this bandage off. See how you're doing. Would you look at that? The swelling's almost gone. Yay, you're doing so well. Hopefully in another week or so you won't need the wrap at all, but let's get started on today's exercises, okay? First we gotta put on our jams. Okay, ready? All right. All right, come on, Tina, let's dance. That's so good. Can you stretch? So of course Tina is one of my favorites to work with because she loves to dance, and she's very big, which is not great sometimes, and she's got this really big frill, of course, and so if you get behind her and you stand off her shoulder and you are dancing with her, she might step on your toe and your foot and break it, most of it, but it's okay, I'm okay now.
Working with formerly extinct species can be really difficult, especially regarding their veterinary care. These animals aren't designed to live in the modern world, and several of our species were genetically modified to look bigger and more intimidating, but as a result are more prone to medical issues or injury. Sometimes our babies can be a lot to handle, and I mean that in the best way possible. Yep.
You got her?
Yeah, I think so. I think she doubles in weight every week.
Well, let's get her to the bathtub while she still fits in there.
Sounds good.
Peggy is our 3-month-old Stegosaurus. She's one of my favorites to work with here at the sanctuary. I call her Miss Peggy the Steggy.
Unfortunately, she also happens to be one of our most uncoordinated dinosaurs, which results in her being covered in dirt and mud a lot.
She's doing her best, okay?
I know. She just needs a little bit of extra help to get cleaned up, especially on her bony plate, so it's a good thing we're here to help her. So we can't get her too wet because the species is prone to fungal infections, so I'm just going to use this damp sponge to clean her off. I know you hate it. I know. Look at that! You're doing so good! Ooh, look at that dirt. That's why you gotta be messy. You're a mess. You're a mess. While a lot of people know what ectotherms are, like animals, reptiles, and amphibians, they get a lot of heat from their environment. So imagine them like sitting on rocks. And endotherms are animals like birds and other mammals that generate their own heat. But what most people don't know and don't recognize is something called mesotherms. Now, dinosaurs happen to be mesotherms, meaning that they can actually regulate their body temperatures better than their reptile and amphibian counterparts, but not as good as their mammal and bird counterparts. So we always make sure that our dinosaurs are in their ideal temperatures.
Yeah, so Peggy gets a little bit of time in front of the heater before she goes back to her enclosure just to make sure she's all warmed up, and maybe a little bit of extra time for a nap.
Night night.
Next time on Jurassic Jungle.
Sandra!
Well, it just so happens I have them right here, and believe it or not, it's the only thing I haven't misplaced today.